Hello everyone. Let's begin with the poem Rain on the Roof today. And before beginning the poem, I would like to give you an overview of the poem. Let's have a small introduction of the poem. So, this poem has been written by the poet Coates Kinney, and so the title of the poem, Rain on the Roof, itself suggests that the poet Coates Kinney wants to tell us about something he relates to rain, something he feels when the rain falls on the roof of his house. So, the poet Coates Kinney in this poem, Rain on the Roof, tries to describe how he feels on a rainy day. He tells us what he thinks about when he hears the sound of the rain falling on his roof. So here the poet says that he starts to recall all his past memories whenever it rains. He finds immense pleasure when he listens to the pitter patter sound of the rain. And whenever he hears the sound of the raindrops falling on the roof of his house, he starts remembering his old days. He starts remembering his childhood days when he was a little boy. And towards the end of the poem, the poet says that he remembers his mother who is no longer with him. And the poet remembers how his mother used to take care of him. So, this rain or the sound of rain makes him remember his mother, makes him recall the memories of his mother. So, how she took care of the poet and how she took care of the poet's siblings as well. So, students, this poem is all about the past memories of the poet which he recalls when it rains. So, whenever the poet hears the pattering sound of raindrops on his rooftop, he recalls all the sweet memories of his childhood, and especially one memory that is related to his mother. So, students, this is all about the poem Rain on the Roof, which is written by the poet Coates Kinney. Okay, so now let me provide you with the word meanings of the poem. Please do note this down. Okay, so here we are. So, the first word is humid, meaning something which is full of moisture. Number 2, shadows, meaning here means in the poem refers to the dark clouds full of moisture and which cast a shadow on the earth. So shadows refers to the dark clouds which make the entire earth dark. Okay. Number 3, hover, meaning move around something. Number 4, starry, meaning full of stars. Number 5, sphere, meaning sky. Number 6, melancholy, meaning sadness. Number 7, bliss, meaning happiness. Number 8, patter, meaning sound of the raindrops falling on the roof. Number 9, cottage chamber, means the bedroom. Number 10, tinkle, meaning soft, short and light ringing sound. Number 11, shingles, meaning rectangular wooden tiles used on roofs. Number 12, echo, meaning repeating sound. Number 13, overhead, meaning above head. Number 14, woof, meaning weft, that is the thread woven across the loom. Number 15, dreamy, meaning dreamlike. Number 16, fancies, meaning imagination. Number 17, recollections, meaning memories. Number 18, weave, meaning pattern of weaving. Number 19, agon, meaning pastime. Number 20, dreamers, meaning one who dreams. Number 21, air, meaning before. Number 22, dawn, meaning early morning. Number 23, fond look, meaning loving gaze. Number 24, busy being, meaning refers to human beings, and here means in this poem Rain on the Roof, the poet refers to himself. Number 25, least, meaning listen. So this is an old poetic word. Number 26, refrain, meaning a repeated part of a song or a poem. And here in this poem, the word refrain refers to the sound of rain. So students, we will begin reading and understanding the poem in the next session.